Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO device to TECNO Pop 7. Begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Begin by selecting I agree at the top. Then tap on Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree, Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Then tap on Close in white pop-up at the top. And when you are finished, hit Send at the bottom left corner of OPPO. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Pop 7. Also on Pop 7, click on one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Wherever you decided, click on Close this window and go back to OPPO. Now, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, you can choose all of your files that you wish to transfer. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. I will go with this audio file and all of those photos. Now select Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on TECNO Pop 7. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!